Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are getting the legendary birds. Fly to Anthean City. Go to the battle frontier. Go to the evolutions. Now to get all 3 birds you want to buy. 3 deep sea scales. Fly to Port Deca. Go inside the big place where you get the Lost Islands ticket. Talk to the pirate to exchange your deep sea scales for legendary.bird tickets. Now go to the boat to travel to the islands. As you can see, we got 3 places: Frigidia for Articuno, Voltridia for Zapdos, and Obsidia for Moltres. Once you have all 3 legendary birds in your party, fly to Cheshma Town. Talk to the old guy at the Squirtle statue. He will give you a silver wing which you can catch Lugia with. Fly to Roscoe City. Now follow me to go to the cave to catch Lugia. You will need Surf to go to Lugia's cave. Once you make it to Silver Cove, just walk down the path. This is where you will be able to encounter Lugia. That's it. If this video helped you or just enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm a very small channel growing.